Tell them where you at. That's the first time I seen the water that low. It ain't never been that low.
It looks high.
Ah, that's low, baby. Yeah,
Oh,
real low. Hell yeah, I ain't never seen the water that low ever.
damn.
It's real low. But yeah, when you get way over towards that way, that's Canada. That's Detroit. Actually, you probably Canada that. Chicago that way. Cleveland over there. Turn around, look.
I did.
Oh, you ain't walked on it. You got no hood?
No. I left my hoodie in the car.
I wasn't even thinking I had a jacket that would have been perfect for you, too.
Why are these rocks so high?
You finna walk almost, you ain't finna walk into the middle of the water, but you finna walk real far. Did you stop filming?
No, still filming. I see all the dang water. You can't see anything. You just see water.
That's what it is. That's what it is. All water. And now this thing being so blue, you can get 20-foot waves.
Don't look
10,
little.
20 feet waves. Because there ain't nothing to stop you from hitting. You can get real big waves.
It's a big one.
Wait, turn around. You wanna go?
Yeah.
Remember, you out in the middle of the water, so it rained instantaneously, real hard. Right now, you're being blessed. He's gonna go try to catch him.